Hey guys, welcome back. We are doing lesson 6 for phonics, so let's get started. Okay, so lesson 6 for phonics. Our learning targets: I can practice my new spelling words, I can read words with the ch sound, and I can ask and answer questions about key details in the story, The Coin Shop. Our sound review for ch. Today we're going to review the ch sound as in chin. Repeat the ch sound. Ch, ch, ch. This is a consonant sound. I'm going to say some riddles, each of which has an answer that starts with the ch sound. Please make sure that you think about that answer, all right? This is a salty, crunchy snack made from potatoes. What is it? Chips. Yum, that sounds good right now. This is a bird that lays eggs and clucks. Chicken. This is something that you strike to light a fire. A match. This is something that you should do to your food before you swallow it. You chew it. This is something you do to a ball when someone throws it to you. You catch. All right, so let's look at our worksheet 6.2. All right, so there's our 6.2, the ch and the TCH. Ch, itch, and chin. Good. I'll move this up because we're going to use that here in a second. So let's go back to our slides. Okay, so ch as in chin or much. Today we're going to review the basic code for spelling for ch. So repeat that sound with me. Ch, ch, ch. Notice the bar there. It's quite long, so this is a common spelling. These three letters work together to make the ch sound. The TCH as in itch. The TCH, that is a short power bar, so it's not a very common spelling. Itch. You have ch and chin. Ch and ch. All right, so let's look at our worksheet 6.3. All right, so 6.3, we have 6 words. We have kitchen, chips, scratch, chin, witch, and catch. So you have to put the correct word in the blanks, okay? So you know what to do on that one because we've done that before. Okay. Let me get rid of this again. Go back to our slide. All right, so now we're going to read The Coin Shop. Can you summarize what happened in the story in the cave? So let's think about the story in the cave. They were they were out hiking. They got caught in a rainstorm and they ran into a cave, didn't they? Yes. So they found a coin and they were going to take it to a coin shop to have it looked at. Right? Yes. Okay. So in the story, The Cave, it ended with Nan Kate that they could take the coin to her friend Jack, a coin expert. So that's the coin shop. So let's preview some spellings. We have the sh spelled with sh, like in shame, shop, and Spanish. We have ch, like in batch, fetch, scratches, and switched. We have the ch as in rich. And then we have other two-syllable words, under and hundred. Our tricky words, some, no, and could. So let's preview our vocabulary. We have shop. A shop is a store. Okay, and look, they're showing a cream donut shop. Yum. I wouldn't mind having that. A looking glass. A looking glass is like a magnifying glass that makes objects bigger than what they are. Then we have Spanish coin. A Spanish coin is money from Spain. Money from Spain. Guys. Then we have date. Date is number showing the year that the coin was made. We have 1600s. 1600s is years ranging from 1600 to 1699, which is about 400 years ago. We have batch. Batch is a group of something. Then we have fetch. The dog went and got a ball, so fetching means to go get something. Then you have that quote, that's a shame, meaning that's just too bad. Then you have bucks, which is dollars. And then you have minted, which is making coins by stamping metal. So we're going to read to find out what happens at the coin shop. So let's escape here. The coin shop. Nan drove us to the coin shop. The man in the coin shop was a pal of hers, and he was a friend. His name was Jack. Jack, Nan said, this is Kate Skipper. I'm Kate's. She's out here for the summer. We went for a hike, and Kate found a coin in the cave. Well, Miss Skipper, Jack said, let's have a look at it. I handed him the coin. Jack set it under a looking glass and switched on a lamp. Let's see, he said. It's got some scratches on it, but I can tell that it's a Spanish coin. It's made of silver, too. Excuse me. When was it made? Asked Nan. There's no date on the coin, said Jack, but I'll bet it dates back to the 1600s. The Spanish minted a big batch of coins like this one back then. Goodness, said Nan. A long time back in the past, I asked. Yes, said Jack. Let me run and fetch my book on Spanish coins. When Jack came back, he said, just one thing I need you to tell me, Miss Skipper. I asked, are there a lot of coins like this one in that cave? No, I said, we found just this one. Oh, that's a shame, Jack. Why? I asked. If there were a lot of coins, you and your Nan would be rich, said Jack. I could sell a coin like this for 300 bucks. 300 bucks, said Nan. Jack nodded. Yippee, I shouted. I'm rich. Okay, let me hide that bar again. Okay, so let's look at our questions here. Who is the narrator or the person telling this story? Kate. Kate's telling the story. Who was in the coin shop? Well, we had Kate, Nan, and Nan's pal Jack was in the coin shop. So what does this coin look like? We know it's silver and it has some scratches on it, right? Why would Jack want to look at the coin under a looking glass for? Do you think maybe so he could see it better? And maybe He could see if there's any markings on the coin that would make it stand out more. Jack says that the Spanish minted coins like Kate's coin. What does minted mean? Now remember, minted means what? To make coins by stamping them. So they stamped coins. How much could Jack sell this coin for? Do you remember? $300. Wow. But he said bucks. It means the same thing. Why do you think Jack could sell the coin for 300 bucks? Why is it worth so much money? Why do you think it's worth so much? It's because it's been out there for a long time, right? It was made in the 1600s. Yeah, so it's been around a long time. So it's worth a lot of money. Before we go over our spelling words, let's go back over here. Actually, I guess we are doing our spelling words because we do not have questions. All right, so our new spelling words. You've got this sheet here. It's got chips, much, catch, fetch, marsh, shine, flash, and our tricky word is how. Okay. So we have the ch and the tch ch and the sh. So make sure chips and munch have the ch. The tch is catch and fetch. Sh would be marsh, shine, and flash, and then your tricky word of how. And so you've seen your worksheet. Our learning targets, I can practice my new spelling words. I can read words with the ch sound, ch. I can ask and answer questions about key details in the story, The Coin Shop. All right, my friends, that is the end of this lesson. I will see you back here tomorrow. Bye.